Enabling two-factor authentication on your ProtonMail account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your ProtonMail account. Visit the ProtonMail website and log in using your username and password. Ensure you have access to your account before proceeding. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, usually represented by a symbol. Click on it to open the account settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to security settings. In the settings menu, find and select the security tab. This section contains options related to account security, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled two-factor authentication and toggle it to enable. You may be prompted to enter your password again for verification. Step 5. Set up your authentication method. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose your preferred authentication method, such as using an authenticator app or receiving SMS codes. Complete the setup by following any additional prompts. After completing these steps, two-factor authentication will be active on your ProtonMail account, enhancing your security. Make sure to keep your authentication method secure and accessible.